Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the world of beauty and hair care with in-depth reviews. Today, we're reviewing the OCOA Curl Care Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. This sulfate-free set promises to support wavy, curly, durly, damaged, and even color-treated hair with a blend of nourishing ingredients like Cupuaçu Butter, Apple Cider Vinegar, and sunflower oil. Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. First, let's talk about the product details. The OCOA Curl Care Shampoo and Conditioner Duo comes in 10-ounce bottles. The shampoo is sulfate-free, meaning it's designed to cleanse the scalp without stripping away natural oils. The conditioner is crafted with ingredients like Cupuaçu Butter, Avocado Oil, and aloe, focusing on moisture retention and enhancing shine. Additionally, there's a blend of Rosemary Extract to boost hair growth and promote a healthy scalp. After testing the duo for a couple of weeks, I found the experience to be quite pleasant. The shampoo lathers nicely despite being sulfate-free, which can sometimes leave shampoos feeling a little too light. It has a mild apple fragrance that isn't overwhelming, making it quite refreshing. It did a good job of cleaning my hair without making it feel dry or stripped of moisture. Now, the conditioner. This is where it really impressed me. It's rich and creamy, and my curls felt instantly softer as I worked it through my hair. After rinsing, my hair had a noticeable shine, and the frizz was much more controlled. However, there were a couple of things worth noting. While my curls were hydrated and defined, the moisture didn't last as long as I hoped. By the second day, I had to refresh my hair with some extra product to keep it looking fresh. Also, if you have super thick or coarse hair, you may find the conditioner isn't quite thick enough to fully tame the hair. That said, it works well for most curl types, especially for those with fine to medium curls. Let's get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, both the shampoo and conditioner are sulfate-free, which is a huge plus for maintaining the natural oils in curly and textured hair. The inclusion of natural oils like avocado oil and rosemary extract is another win, providing nourishment to the hair while supporting healthy growth. My curls definitely felt softer, and there was a noticeable reduction in breakage. The shampoo cleansed without drying, and the conditioner gave my curls the right amount of moisture. On the downside, while it works wonders for moisture on the first day, it doesn't maintain that hydration throughout the week. Additionally, the scent, though subtle, may not be for everyone, especially if you're sensitive to fragrances. When it comes to value for money, this duo sits at a mid-range price point. Given the quality of ingredients like Cupuaçu Butter and avocado oil, it's priced fairly for what it offers. However, if you're looking for a product that can sustain moisture longer or handle thicker curls, there are alternatives that might suit you better for a similar price range. Speaking of alternatives, there are plenty of sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners out there. Products like Shea Moisture's Curl and Shine Shampoo or DevaCurl's No Poo might be good substitutes, especially if you're looking for something with longer-lasting moisture. That said, if you're after a natural, nutrient-rich option with ingredients like rosemary extract and apple cider vinegar, OCOA stands out for its unique blend. As for the build quality and longevity, the bottles are durable, and the products feel premium. There haven't been any issues with the packaging or performance over time, and while I don't have long-term data yet, I'm confident the products should last if used consistently. Now let's talk about customer service. I haven't had to reach out for support, but based on the brand's reputation, I'd expect a responsive and helpful team. OCOA has garnered positive feedback for customer interactions in general, and their commitment to natural ingredients speaks to their overall brand ethos. In conclusion, the OCOA Curl Care Shampoo and Conditioner Duo is a solid option for anyone looking to nourish their curls with natural ingredients. It provides good moisture and supports hair growth, but it may not be the best choice if you're after long-lasting hydration. For those with medium to fine curls, this duo will likely meet your needs. But if you have thicker hair, you might want to look for something a bit more robust. I'd recommend giving it a try if you're into sulfate-free, natural hair care products that focus on scalp health and hair growth. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more beauty tips here on Beautyistic. Thank you for watching, and remember to check the comments box for the link to grab this product if you're interested. Drop a comment below if you've used it or have any thoughts. And I'll see you next time. Until then, keep your curls looking beautiful with Beautyistic.